Hello, this machine with 3 tank. It can work for diesel or gasoline. You can choose one of them to filling in diesel or gasoline. For example, if you want to use this tank with gasoline, then you can connect the hose from the tank, then connect to the inlet of the tank to filling. Okay, before filling, you need to close this valve like this. Okay, like this to close the valve. Then you can filling the fuel from the tank to our machine, and then you can notice here before filling this hose without any fuel. After you filling the fuel from the tank to this machine, when this machine tank have fuel, you can see the fuel like this. Okay, at this time, then you can find here that this valve is turned off. Okay, now please open here, and then turn on this valve a little slowly so that you can see feel here. Okay, like this. Then you need to turn off this valve again and install this back. Okay, put it back. Please attention, just the first time you use this machine, you need to operate like this. For your future using this machine, no need to operate like this. Okay, then turn on this valve again. Now you can use this machine normally. Now you can start filling. For example, now you want to fill it in liter. Okay, you can see here is liter, and input the 10. Start. After that start, then filling. Okay, 10 liter, then stop. Now if you want to fill it in amount, just press this way to adjust it, to make it show P. For example, 12, and start, then filling 12. Sales amount 12. Okay, printer just press the stop like this. Okay, and this machine with the printer function and the liquid gauge. About this liquid gauge, we set it in our factory already, so you no need to set this one. Just to show you how is the fuel inside of our tank. Okay, this is how to operate this machine.